Hi everybody. Today we're going to be learning about skip counting with a number line. When we start skip counting, we often group objects, starting with our 2s and then moving into our 10s and 5s and then going into different numbers. The reason we do it is we're training our brain to see that as one unit. 2, 4, 6, 8. When we first learn, we may go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, until we get the hang of 2, 4, 6, 8. We also skip count using 100 square. You can see this child has skip counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. And then we also skip count using number lines. We do this in multiple ways to help our brain really deeply understand the concept of adding the same amount each time. So you can see in this first number line here, the person is counting by how many each time. Have a close look. That's right, they're counting by 2s. They're adding 2. They've told us they're adding 2. 2, 4, 6, and each time 2 and another 2 equals 4. 4 and another 2 equals 6. 6 and another 2 equals 8. And so on. And they can just keep going as long as their number line is. This person's also tried to keep the amount of space, because it's 2 each time, about the same. All right, they try to keep it the same amount of space because the amount that they're adding each time is the same. So the same amount of space because we're adding the same amount each time. We can skip count backwards and forwards, and we can skip count by different groups of numbers. So this person is skip counting by groups of not 20. Have a closer look. By 10. So they've added on 10 to make 30. They've added on another 10 to make 40. This person's adding on another 10 to make 50. So skip counting by 10 each time. And notice that because it's 10 each time, the same amount of space between each number, because it's the same amount they're adding each time. Here's a problem for you. Can you find 200 using skip counting? Pause this and have a go and then come back. Okay, we're back everybody. You've all had a go. You may have chosen to go, oh, there's a 20 there, I'm going to skip count by 20 each time. I'm going to think about the same amount of space. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So you could keep going like that. 80, I've got to get all the way up to 200. Or you might have said, I know that half of 200 is 100. If that's 20, and I count by 20s, 80, then my 100 is here. And therefore my 200 is going to be the same amount of space. So it's going to be from here all the way over here, and I could do one big jump of 100. I could have gone 20, 20, 20 all the way, or counted to work out where my 100 is and then do my next 100 jump. There may have been another way to work this out too. Can you share that with the person next to you? What did you do? Thank you everybody. Keep practicing skip counting with number lines.